Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the Miranda Zone. It's your girl Miranda. So I got two things in the mail. I went on Amazon about 3 days ago and ordered some stuff. Not everything I ordered came in today. I still have to wait on a few things before I get my other items. But two things came in the mail today. The first thing that came in the mail was this Ghost Pepper chocolate bar. It's still wrapped up. But yeah, this is called Ghost Crunch. Ghost Foods. Milk chocolate with crisp rice and but jalokia chili. This is supposed to be extremely, extremely hot. I have a Tabasco one coming in the mail too. But the next thing that I got in the mail was this Mochi. I thought it was called Mochi, but it's Mochi, I think. Yeah. Red bean Mochi. Maybe Mochi. I don't know. I thought it was Mochi at first because it's Mochi. Could be Mochi. I don't know. You guys can tell me how to pronounce this thing. This mochi or mochi thing is only 1 gram of fat. At least I think so. Okay, let's try this chocolate bar. I'm scared. I am freaking out. Oh yeah. Yep, I am tripping. This looks like a spooky pooky chocolate bar. Yes, I am stalling. Because I'm somewhat excited about this, but very, very nervous. It's crumbling. Crap. I don't want to touch it. It's definitely crumbly.
Oh, one of your things says delayed by weather. So it either got hot and melted or something.
I guess it would be okay to actually touch this ghost pepper chocolate bar, right?
Should be.
I feel like a crumb kind of flicked in my face. But anyway, this is what the chocolate bar looked like. Whoa! Uh-uh. Y'all trying to kill somebody making something like that. Whew. I mean, really, are y'all trying to I mean, nothing against the Japanese or Chinese people or whatever you are. Nothing against y'all, but are y'all really trying to kill somebody or something? Phew. Whew. The bar itself tastes pretty dang good, but the heat hits the back of your throat and on your tongue. It's still on my freaking tongue. Mom's up in there laughing her head off. See, listen to her. She's laughing up a storm up in there.
Crazy.
Come here and taste this.
No.
No, she couldn't have said that any faster. She's like, no. I'm gonna taste this one more again. Yes, I'm crazy. Actually, really, it's not that bad. Oh, yes, it is. Strike that. Ugh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Shoo. Oh. What? Ha. Run around the house for me. I can't do that. Oh my gosh. Come here.
Trying to get your legs better, aren't
Yes, I am. Come here.
No.
Take a little piece.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna look. Look.
Look me.
You. I'm gonna stick this much in my mouth. It's just like half a piece to make Woohoo! Oh. Can I have some milk?
Just happen to have some.
Almond milk.
Okay.
Or regular milk, I don't care. I need something. Whew, that's good. It really is good. Oh my gosh. I hold the back of my throat. I love spicy stuff, but the boot, or I don't know how to pronounce that. Let's just say the butt jalopy, will, whew, it will send you rolling. Okay, now I can't talk. No, wait, my sinuses. Woo! Oh, that's bad. Woo! Oh, it hit the sinuses. Oh, don't hit the sinuses. Whew. Will you stop? She's over here giving me looks. Oh, yes. The milk does work for that. I've heard people say when they actually tried, like the actual pepper, that milk didn't work. It works. Okay, no, it don't. Not for the back of the throat. My throat is on fire, y'all. If you don't quit laughing in there. Excuse me. I don't care. Laugh up. Laugh it up. All right. I got a burp. Excuse me. Now let's try a little bit of this mochi or mochi. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Is that Creflo? Oh. Well, can't even get this open. I got it. Hmm. Hold on, I'm trying to get the little mochi out. This is what the little mochi ball looks like. It's all powdery. Let's try it. Looks good. Smells like a regular rice cake. That's what the red bean looks like inside. This is not bad. I like it. Okay, apparently it leaks out. No, that was just the powder. The texture is kind of, I don't know, kind of floury, but the dough and the bean to this thing is really good. I like it. Oh yeah, this is really good. I like it. So I would give the mochi, or mahi, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, I would give that a 10, and the ghost pepper bar a 7. Because it'll straight up kill you. I'm just playing. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, and if you're not a subscriber and you happen to see this video and you like it, subscribe. Peace and God bless.